Hello, hello. So we had someone in the community just ask for the information on shipping internationally in eBay. And I think I can speak for all the ladies when I say eBay has made it so easy. They have a international shipping program that just keeps getting better and better. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you through how to add that to a business policy. Shout out business policies, also making things easy. Now, here on the listing page, that's where you want to be, your listings. Then over here, you're going to hit business policies on the left. Let's try that again. Listings. Okay. Now that we're on to business policies, I have mine set up by weight. They are flat rates for I have $5.99 for less than a pound, $8.99 for 1 to 2 pounds. I just base these on averages for where I'm at in the country. You can go to like Pirate Ship or something and put in a weight and dimension, and then throw in a zip code from Maine and see how much that would cost, and a zip code from California, like Southern California, and see how much that would cost from where you are. That's kind of, maybe do Washington State or something, and just do farthest areas away from you on either side of the country, and then kind of average that out. Like, I don't necessarily make money on shipping. I do a few dollars here and there once in a while. For the most part, though, my less than a pound things come out to be between $4.50 and $6. Like, sometimes it's a couple cents more, but sometimes it's a couple cents less. So it all evens out. You can also do calculated shipping. I know for my media mail, I do calculated shipping based on weight. You definitely don't make money on that because media mail is usually right on the money. But I feel like this gives the buyer a better rate than just using a calculated cost. And it's worked out pretty good for me. Only do this if you are comfortable with shipping. Otherwise, I recommend doing calculated until you get comfortable with it. So have your shipping policies set up. You can edit them and add international, or we can create one right now. So let's create a shipping policy. Most people have calculated, so we will do a calculated policy. And we'll just say that these are for all items under a pound. So we're going to add USPS Ground Advantage, which has replaced First Class. I'm surprised that's even on here still. So Ground Advantage, which is fantastic. Love it. And then you're going to put in your handling time. I do 1 business day. I don't charge a handling cost, but you can. Now, the way to get international shipping, unless you explicitly go into a totally different setting and opt out of this, the way to make sure international shipping is in all your policies is to put no international shipping on all your policies. That is how easy it is. It's that easy. You're probably already shipping things internationally and you don't even know it, because it doesn't normally tell you what country or what you're doing. It just tells you to ship it to Illinois or other hubs as they add other hubs. So you're going to say no international shipping, and then you would hit save. That's literally it. So international shipping through eBay, they calculate all of it. You would say, it's $5.99 for a less than 1 pound item. You'd attach that policy onto your listing. Say you're doing, this tape measure. You're going to send this out. Somebody in Spain buys it. They're going to pay you the $5.99 for your shipping. You're going to ship this to Chicago, to eBay's little thing in Illinois, because that's what eBay is going to tell you. It's going to give you a shipping label, $5.99. They pay you. They give you the shipping label for Illinois. That's it. It's just like you sold something to somebody in Illinois. And then eBay is then going to take possession of that item, and they handle all the rest. They charge them the other ridiculous amounts of money that they calculate for your shipping to that country. They take care of the paperwork. They take care of Specific items. Is it a knife? Is it fur? Is it, is that item restricted in certain countries? Or they keep track of all that. You don't have to exclude countries if we're fighting in Russia or we have issues with Ukraine. They take care of all that. They decide which countries we work with and which ones we don't. They handle all of that. You just ship it to Illinois. That's it. And eventually they're going to have more processing centers across the country. So for me in Michigan, it is cheap to ship to Illinois. It's in like a regional zone that's closer than, say, if we were shipping it to Southern California or Florida. It's close for me. They are going to open more and keep this going as they keep rolling this out. Everybody, I believe, should be in this new program. So go into your policies, set up your business policies. Step number one, make sure your business policies are set up. It's that easy. It is so easy. Just go in, click the things you want, calculated shipping. You're going to offer, that you can add local pickup. I didn't put that in there. Add local pickup. That's it. And then have those for different weights or different, you'd want one for maybe priority shipping, make a different one for that. And then you just attach them to your listing. It's so easy. We have other videos that we've shown attaching them, but if you need more info, if you have more questions, put those questions in the comments, ask away, join our live. We do a live every first Wednesday of every month. Come and ask us questions. We'll screen share, we'll do whatever. If you're on ListPerfectly, come to a listing party. Every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern, we have a listing party. Again, we'll screen share, we'll walk you through things. You can join our Patreon and do a one-on-one meeting with us if you want help setting up your business policies. You don't have to have a monthly subscription. You can just sign up once and do a one-time meeting with us, or you can meet with us every week, every month, however much you want. We have options. So don't be scared of international shipping. You don't do anything. You just ship it to Illinois. During eBay Open a couple weeks ago, I couldn't believe the amount of people that said, I didn't even know I was shipping internationally. If I went back and tried to find all the different countries I've shipped to, it's actually really hard because it just says Illinois, and then you have to do a little digging to figure out, oh, that actually went to France, that went to Spain, that went to Canada. Sometimes it will show up on the initial sold page, but not very often. So it's so easy. If you are comfortable shipping to Illinois, you're comfortable shipping internationally, and we can help get you there.